Welcome. In this video, we will see how to set up Apache Hadoop 2-node cluster. Since we will be creating 2-node cluster, we require 2 Linux machines for this. One will act as master and other will act as slave. We will use Hadoop version 1.0.3 during this video. We have 2 terminals. One is for master, second one is for slave. First, we will extract the Hadoop 1.0.3 tar file on both machines. Clear the screen. Change the ownership of the extracted folder on both master and slave. Now we will verify if ownership is changed. As you can see, owner is Hadoop and group is root now. Check the Java version. As we can see, it is 1.7.0. Please note that it should be 1.6 or above, else update it. Go to Hadoop bin folder. Switch user to Hadoop, which we have already created on both machines. Generate RAC keys on master. It actually generates private and public keys. For enter file in which to save the key, keep default path and press enter. For enter passphrase, keep blank and press enter. For enter same passphrase, again keep blank and just press enter. Now we will copy the localhost public key to the remote host authorized keys file. In our case, HD master is the remote host. Press enter. It will ask, do you want to continue? Write yes and then press enter. Type the password for the Hadoop user. Now also add the public key to HD slave authorized keys file. Follow the same procedure. Now let us test the connection from Hadoop to host HD master. As we can see, it did not ask for password. Similarly, test connection from Hadoop to host HD slave. Thus, a secure connection is formed between user Hadoop and hosts HD slave and HD master, and there is no need to enter password each time. Now go to Hadoop conf folder. Open Hadoop-env.sh file. Change the Java home path. Specify the path where Java is installed. Follow the same procedure on slave machine. Let us make some changes to Hadoop's configuration files core site.xml, HDFS site.xml and mapper site.xml. Open core site.xml. Specify the machine that will act as name node. For that, change the fs.default.name parameter value to name node URI, which specifies host and port. In our case, host is the HD master. Open HDFS site.xml. Change the dfs.replication variable. It defines how many machines a single file should be replicated to before it becomes available. We have only 2 nodes available, so we set a dfs.replication value to 2. Disable permissions by setting value of dfs.permission to false. Open mapper site.xml. Specify the machine that will act as the job tracker. For that, change the mapper.job.tracker parameter value to host:port. Again, HD master is the host in our case. After that, open master's file. Replace localhost with HD master. Similarly, open slaves file. Replace localhost with hd master and hd slave 1. Follow same procedure for slave machine which we have already done except for one change. Open slaves file. Replace localhost with hd slave 1. Now we are done with setting up the configuration. Go to bin folder on both terminals and check Hadoop version. Format the Hadoop file system. You need to do this the first time you set up a Hadoop installation. Start the name node, secondary name node and data node. Start job tracker and task tracker. Now let us check the status of HDFS. For that, open browser and type the link. As we can see, it shows two live nodes. Click on it. HD master and other is HD slave 1. We are done. So let us now stop the job tracker and task tracker. Also stop name node, secondary name node and data node. Thus we have seen how to set up Apache Hadoop 2-node cluster. Thank you.